Topic of my experiment is to study the HIV in different stages from its infection of T lymphocyte till maturation under microgravity. For this experiment, I proposed an hypothesis, that is, for different stages from infection to maturation, HIV rely on gravity somehow. This experiment will make use of the habitat number 3, that is, group activation pack with fluid processing apparatus. In each FPA, there will be 2 to 4 portions, and I want each FPA consists of 3 portions. In each FPA, uppermost portion will be filled with HIV crystals, middle one with T lymphocyte cells, and lower one with fixative to stop the process going on and preserve it in its respective state. First of all, HIV crystal of all FPA will be mixed with T lymphocyte and serve as an inoculum. When the binding of HIV starts with the T lymphocyte, then in first FPA, the process is fixed or preserved by introducing fixative to the HIV lymphocyte mixture. Similarly, in all FPAs, the fixative will be introduced to the mixture respectively when the HIV starts to enter into the nucleus of the T lymphocyte, when it reverse transcripts its genes and become double-stranded DNA, when it translates its genes into proteins, multiplies or replicates its genetic material, that is single-stranded RNA, and maturation of translated genes into new virus particles. After that, whole sample or GAP will be refrigerated and brought back to Earth for further analysis. I think this experiment would throw some light on HIV's behavior in microgravity and also will provide us with some sort of remedy for this menace, as some stages of its growth is either inhibited or its component biochemicals necessary for growth are modified into non-infectious under zero gravity. Thank you.